Hey, what's up guys? My name is Dan Coconati, and today we're going to be taking a look at the song called Last Resort by Papa Roach. Now, the song is in drop D tuning, so that means your strings are going to be D, A, D, G, B, and E. So get yourself a tune, and then we're going to get started on this lesson. Yeah, Papa Roach's Last Resort. Definitely excited to teach this one. Great song, and it's got a really sick riff in it, so very fun to learn. Especially for those just starting off. You get this riff down in your riff bank. It's just a classic. So let's get started. The chords, we got a 9th fret of our E. Again, though we are tuned down to a D, though, but just 9th fret of that E, okay, and then you got a 7th fret of the A and a 9th fret of the D. So all together, you're getting that really heavy sound, and you're gonna be palming this as well. So, okay, that shape, it's staying the same. So it's gonna just slide down progressively down through the fretboard now. So again, 9, 7, 9, right? Take that shape, and now you're sliding that down, whole step. So now you're 7, 5, 7. Okay, again, sliding it down. All right, so now you're 5 of your E, 3rd fret of the A, 5 of the D. And these are all played 2 times. Okay, and then the last chord there, that's going to be 4th fret of the E, 2nd fret of the A, and 4th fret of the D. So all together. And then after you hit that, again, the 4th fret, 2nd fret, 4th fret there, come back up to that 2nd chord shape, or your 7th fret of the E, 5th fret of the A, and 7th fret of the D. So all together, it's just, you're just going down and then coming back up on the fretboard in a sense, but the shape stays the exact same. So all together, you should be getting this. All right. So the main riff of this song, it's really not that hard. It's fast. So when I first learned this, it's best to just kind of get the notes down first and then clean it up and speed up your tempo. So the notes, it's going to be a 7th fret, okay, on your A string. So that's the first note. And then a 10th of the A string to a 9 of the A, back to a 10 of the A, and then up to a 9 of your D. So all together, you're getting this. And then you're gonna go right back to that 10th fret of the A, to the 9th again, and then back to a 10. So you're really just kind of going in between your 10 and your 9 of your A, but the first chunk is gonna be okay, that's the first chunk. Second chunk is gonna be, all right, so now we're just changing that root note in a sense. So the first one was the 7th fret, second time it's gonna be your 12th fret now of this E, but tuned down to a D. So first time is here. Next is gonna be 12, and then again 10, 9, 10 of your A to a 9 of the D, and then 10, 9, 10 of the A. So this pattern, that is not changing for the entire riff. So again, okay, now, again, we're just moving that root note down. So we were just at that 12, so now we're gonna go down, this is the 3rd time, now we're down to the 10th fret of the E string. So basically, So you hit that 10 now on the E, and then you're gonna do the exact same thing, 10, 9, 10, 9, and then 10, 9, 10. All right, so. The last one, again, we're just changing that root note. Now it's 9th fret, okay, of the E, again, tuned down. But 9th fret of the E, and then you finish with the exact same thing. 10, 9, 10, 9 on the D, and then 10, 9, 10 of the A. All right, all together. And the riff, exactly, you know, play it the same, just repeats. There you go. So once you get that riff down, you know, it's definitely, you know, progressed throughout the entirety of the song. I think that, you know, it's played for the verses for the most part, but again, definitely the hardest part of this song. And really, it's not that complex. Again, it's just getting that tempo right and making sure that you're getting it up to speed. So that's going to be the main concern on this riff. All right, so the chorus, it's a lot easier than the riff. So don't worry, once you get that riff down, everything in this song gets much easier. So going right into that chorus, we're tuned down, right? So we're drop D, so we're gonna be right here. And that's a 9th fret power chord, okay? And that's just 9 across the board, you're barring these, okay? So you got 9 on the E, 9 on the A, and 9 on the D. And then you're taking that, sliding it up now to your 12th fret. So, and the strumming is just chug, 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 you know what I mean? Just down, up, down, up, down, up. So you got 9 up to 12, and then that bar chord shape all the way to the 14th, again, across, you know, that E, A, D. So. Okay, and that shape, just this is the whole chorus. Really, it's pretty basic. So you got 14 and then down, okay, to your 10th fret bar chord again across those 3. So. All right, and then we go into this shape. So what is this? We're playing a 9 of the A and 11 of the G, and we're muting all the other strings in between. Okay, and you're just sliding this shape up. So again, 9 and 11 up to, all right, 10, 12, and then finish 12, 14. And then it goes right back to the and then that riff comes right back. All right, so after we play the first chorus, we go right back into that main riff, right? And then we get into another chorus, and then we kind of go into our bridge section. So the bridge section, it just changes ever so slightly, but we're still keeping that bar chord mentality. So after we play that chorus again, you're gonna end on like the, all right, and then we go to this. So we got a 14th fret bar chord, again on that E, A, D. So slide down to your 10th, barring all 3 of these. And then a 5th fret bar, and then that shape up to a 9th fret bar. So that's all just to the 9, 14 to the 10 to to the 5, to the 9. And then after that section, we go back to those chords of the intro. Okay, and then the riff again comes in. And then we kind of get to that outro section. All right, outro of Last Resort. Everything is staying the same except for, I think, 2 new notes we introduced here. So the chorus is staying the same, so we kind of learned this already, but we're starting again. All right, so that's that 14 to the 10 power chord, bar chord too. And then it's just to that 9, 10, 12, right? And then we do it again. So here's the only change, is we come down, so we come from that 14 to a 10, and then you go open. So it's just, you're just open, open, open on your E, A, D, all right? And then that's just a bar chord on the 2nd fret of E, A, D. So. And then up to the 10th fret. And then again, repeating to those chorus chords of the. All right, so just a quick, to really go slow on this, we're just gonna do one run through and play the outro. So it's. All right, so where are we ending? We're ending just on a 14th fret bar chord. Now, you can actually probably take this and then if you want, you could go. That actually sounds a little bit more accurate to me. You could probably, they're just octaves of one another, but you can end on that 14th fret. Or you can bring it on down to that 2nd fret and end right there. So, but again, the last note is, or you could play it, whatever sounds better for you. So again, that's the outro of Papa Roach's song, but that should be all the pieces you need. Once you get that main riff down and those chords, should be good to go. Thank you guys so much for checking out this guitar tutorial on Last Resort by Papa Roach. If this helped you out and you were able to learn the song, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and be ready for more future guitar videos. Thanks.